Do you also feel bloating and gas in the stomach? Have your weight increased? Do you have heart problems? Today we will give solutions to all these problems in one video. Can all these problems be cured in any natural way? Then I want to tell you that yes, it can be done. And the name of that method is intermittent fasting. So let us know what intermittent fasting is. Intermittent fasting is a plan for eating that involves eating only during specific times. You choose regular time periods to eat and fast. Fasting on either a daily or weekly basis helps your body burn fat. There can be many ways of intermittent fasting, out of which there are 3 main ways which we will tell you at the end of this video, and now we will know how intermittent fasting improves our body health and how it helps us in keeping the body healthy. Then definitely watch the video till the end and do like, share, and subscribe the channel. So let's start with benefit number 1, weight loss and fat burning. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss and fat burning by influencing your hormones in a way that promotes burning fat for energy. When you enter a fasted state, your body's insulin levels decrease significantly. Insulin is a hormone primarily responsible for shuttling glucose, or sugar, from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. With lower insulin levels, your body starts looking for alternative fuel sources, and stored body fat becomes the prime candidate. Additionally, intermittent fasting is thought to increase human growth hormone, HGH, levels. HGH is another key player in the fat-burning process, as it signals the body to break down stored fat for fuel and preserve muscle mass. This hormonal dance created by intermittent fasting can lead to a net decrease in calories burned while simultaneously increasing fat burning, a recipe for weight loss success. However, it's important to remember that for optimal weight loss, combining intermittent fasting with a healthy diet that includes whole foods and portion control is key. Benefit number 2 is improved blood sugar control. In terms of blood sugar control, intermittent fasting appears to improve insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to effectively use insulin to usher glucose, blood sugar, out of the bloodstream and into cells for energy. During fasting periods, insulin levels naturally drop. When you finally do eat, your body becomes more adept at utilizing the incoming insulin to manage blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for those with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, as it can help regulate blood sugar levels and potentially reduce medication dependence. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to reductions in both fasting blood sugar and hemoglobin A1C, HbA1c, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. Overall, intermittent fasting presents a promising strategy for individuals seeking to improve blood sugar management. Benefit number 3 is reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation underlies many of the most concerning health problems we face today, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. It occurs when immune cells are constantly activated, even in the absence of an immediate threat. Intermittent fasting appears to be a powerful tool for dialing down this inflammatory response. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can reduce levels of circulating inflammatory markers in the blood, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6, IL-6. This reduction in inflammation may be due to several factors, including a decrease in free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells, a shift in gut bacteria composition, and improved cellular repair processes. By tamping down chronic inflammation, intermittent fasting has the potential to significantly reduce your risk of developing these debilitating diseases. Benefit number 4 is improved heart health. Intermittent fasting may hold promise for improving heart health through various mechanisms. Studies have shown it can positively impact several key risk factors for heart disease. One way it might help is by lowering blood pressure. During fasting periods, your body produces less of the stress hormone cortisol, which can contribute to high blood pressure. Fasting may also lead to improvements in cholesterol levels, potentially reducing bad LDL cholesterol while increasing good HDL cholesterol. Additionally, intermittent fasting can decrease triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood that can contribute to artery blockage. By influencing these factors, intermittent fasting has the potential to reduce overall strain on the heart and cardiovascular system, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 5 is increased brain health. In the realm of brain health, intermittent fasting shows promise as a potential shield against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies suggest it might even enhance cognitive function and memory. One mechanism behind this benefit is the possible increase in brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is a protein crucial for the survival of existing neurons and even encourages the growth of new ones. With increased BDNF levels, your brain may experience improved learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. Furthermore, intermittent fasting appears to combat chronic inflammation, a culprit linked to various neurological disorders. By reducing inflammation, it may lower the risk of these diseases and promote overall brain health. Benefit number 6 is cellular repair. One intriguing benefit of intermittent fasting is its potential to enhance cellular repair through a process known as autophagy. During autophagy, your cells enter a cleaning house mode, dismantling and recycling damaged proteins and organelles. This cellular spring cleaning is essential for maintaining cellular health and function. When we constantly fuel our bodies with readily available nutrients, this cleaning process gets somewhat neglected. However, during fasting periods, cells are gently stressed, which triggers a cellular response to ramp up autophagy. By eliminating this cellular debris, intermittent fasting may help protect against diseases associated with protein buildup, like neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Furthermore, autophagy may promote the creation of new mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells, potentially boosting cellular energy production and overall health. Benefit number 7 is improved liver health. In relation to liver health and digestion, intermittent fasting may offer a multifaceted benefit. During the fasting window, your body goes into a state called autophagy, which literally translates to self-eating. During autophagy, your cells clean out old, damaged proteins and other cellular debris. This process can be particularly helpful for the liver, as it's the body's primary organ for detoxification. By removing this cellular waste, intermittent fasting may promote better overall liver function. Additionally, the regulated eating periods associated with intermittent fasting can give your digestive system a break. This can allow for more efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients during your eating window. Furthermore, reduced food intake can lead to lower production of stomach acid, potentially mitigating problems with heartburn and acidity. Finally, some studies suggest intermittent fasting may improve gut microbiota, the community of bacteria in your gut that plays a role in digestion and can influence bloating and gas. However, more research is needed to fully understand the impact of intermittent fasting on gut bacteria. Overall, intermittent fasting has the potential to improve digestion, reduce bloating and gas, and enhance liver function through autophagy and regulated eating patterns. Now we have learned in the video what are the benefits of intermittent fasting, but now we will know in the video what are the ways in which intermittent fasting can be done. Let us know. Choosing the best way of intermittent fasting depends on your individual preferences and lifestyle. Here are 3 popular methods, each with its own advantages. Method number 1 is 16-8 method, time-restricted eating. The 16-8 method, also known as the 16-8 protocol or time-restricted eating, TRE, is a popular and beginner-friendly approach to intermittent fasting. Its core principle lies in compressing your daily eating window into 8 hours and dedicating the remaining 16 hours to fasting. This flexibility allows for significant customization to fit your lifestyle. For instance, you could choose to skip breakfast entirely, starting your eating window at lunchtime, perhaps 12 p.m., and finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This would grant you a 16-hour fasting window overnight while still enabling you to enjoy 2 regular meals and potentially healthy snacks within your eating window. The 16-8 method is particularly suitable for beginners due to several reasons. Firstly, the extended eating window makes it easier to integrate into your daily routine and avoid feelings of extreme hunger. Secondly, it doesn't require strict calorie counting, focusing instead on the time frame for consuming food. This can be particularly appealing for those who find traditional calorie restriction daunting. Finally, the 16-8 method can be sustainable in the long term, allowing you to develop a healthy eating pattern that you can maintain over time. Method number 2 is 5-2 diet. The 5-2 diet, also known as the fast diet, offers a structured yet flexible approach to intermittent fasting. Here's a closer look at how it works. 5 regular eating days. For 5 days of the week, you can follow your regular eating patterns. This allows you the freedom to enjoy a balanced diet without feeling overly restricted. There are no specific limitations on calorie intake or food choices during these days. 2 low-calorie days. On the remaining 2 non-consecutive days, you restrict your calorie intake to 500-600 calories. This doesn't necessarily mean complete fasting, but rather focusing on low-calorie, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, fruits, and lean protein sources. Flexibility in scheduling. A key advantage of the 5-2 method is the flexibility in scheduling your fasting days. You can choose any 2 days that work best for you, allowing you to adapt the plan to your social life and commitments. Potential benefits. The 5-2 diet may be suitable for people who find it challenging to maintain a calorie deficit every day. By restricting calories only on 2 days, it can feel more manageable and sustainable in the long term. Additionally, some research suggests that this approach may be just as effective for weight loss and improving metabolic health as traditional calorie restriction methods. It's important to note that the 500-600 calorie recommendation is a general guideline, and your individual calorie needs may vary depending on factors like your weight, gender, and activity level. Method number 3 is Eat Stop Eat, 24-hour fast. The Eat Stop Eat, ESE method, takes a more intense approach to intermittent fasting, incorporating full 24-hour fasts once or twice a week. This method offers flexibility in scheduling. You can pick any 24-hour window that suits your routine, like fasting from dinner on Monday evening all the way to dinner on Tuesday evening. While ESE may seem daunting, it can be surprisingly manageable. For instance, if you end your eating window with dinner on Monday, you can focus on staying hydrated with water, unsweetened black coffee, or tea throughout your fast. This can help curb hunger pangs and make the fasted day more manageable. By Tuesday evening, when your eating window resumes, you'll likely experience a heightened sense of taste and satisfaction with your meal. Proponents of ESE believe the extended fasting window maximizes the potential benefits of autophagy, the cellular cleaning process, and may lead to more significant weight loss compared to other intermittent fasting methods. This video is only for guidance. If you have any health issue, then please consult your healthcare expert. All right, everyone, that's all the time we have for today. We explored intermittent fasting, its benefits, and even different ways to try it yourself. Remember, the best method is the one that fits your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And if you know someone who might be interested in giving intermittent fasting a shot, don't forget to share this video. We release new health and wellness content every week, so hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.